All right, ninth graders, so we are back. Here we have our simulation that I opened in the last video or taught y'all how to open. So we're going to do a little run on what this simulation looks like, works like. So I'm just going to say 22-year-old. We'll say this 22-year-old is, let's go with 5'2", and we will say they are 120 pounds. And you can also, so if you want to make it easier, you can also type it in. Sorry, we'll say 110 pounds. We'll say their body fat, sure, we'll leave it at 19.5%. As we went over before with sedentary, active, so we know sedentary is you're not moving a lot, you're basically on the couch, you're sitting quite a bit, and you're not very active. So we're going to say this person, we'll just call him Beatrice for now. This person is Beatrice. We'll say they have a sedentary life. This is all their information. We see we have foods we can pick from. There's lots of food. And the nice thing is we don't have to waste so much time looking up the calories of all our food. It's going to log it all for us. It's very, very effective and efficient and fast. Instead of wasting time just looking up all the nutritional facts and the calories of all these things. So there's that component. And then we also have our exercise component. So there's a bunch of different activities you can do. There's even table tennis. 15 minutes, you burn 47 calories. Hockey, you name it. And if your sport isn't on here, you can also get as close to possible with it if you would like. But they have a lot of options. So anyways, it's nice too because instead of, if we don't have time to work out, we can just use this, although we really do want to work out. So let's give y'all an example. Let's say Beatrice is not a very healthy person. So we're going to go and say they ate a pizza, they ate another pizza. Let's see, let's give them this whole, we'll say it's probably like a McDonald's meal, and look how many calories that is. That's 1,355 calories. And then we'll just give him a drink. He's probably thirsty. So we'll give him a Coca-Cola. Now what we're going to do is, here's the play button. It's going to play us, if you see this right here, it's going to play us years. So we're just going to let it run its course. I think the max it can go to is 2 years. So we're just going to let it get to 2 years and see what happens. And just observe. It's really nice because it's graphing the difference. See, Beatrice started at 110. And let me pause it for y'all really fast. He started at 110. Look where he's at now. He has gained almost 33 pounds. So it's really interesting, and you can apply your age, your height, your weight, your body fat, and what you eat to this and how active you are, and see what you are or are not at risk for. So let's just finish playing it. This is basically the whole gist of it all. So let's see. Oh, and do you see this? You got an increased risk of heart attack. So that right there is going to be, that's very concerning. And this is very realistic. And obviously it's not something we want to try. We don't want to try, like, I'm sure you might have all seen The Biggest Loser where he eats McDonald's for, I think it's a year. And he tracks how much weight he gains and how unhealthy he becomes. With this, we don't put our lives in danger. We just see how it can affect us. And we can try healthy food. So maybe you're trying to eat healthier. You can see what foods and how much activity you might need to become a healthier person. So this is just really great. Play around with it. I think y'all will learn a lot. I want to leave y'all with a question. After playing around with it, just ask yourself, if everyone had a healthy diet, how would diseases be impacted? And can frequent exercise make up for poor food habits or vice versa? Why or why not? So answer those and get back with me.